Okay, one of the nice improvements that I did for my printer is the belt for y-axis here. See this belt here? Actually, they are not now perfectly parallel, if you can see. They are very parallel. And what I did, I changed the position of the bracket. See, I put it a little bit closer like this. See, I just fix him not above but under the aluminum bar. See, I just changed that positioning, and now my belt is perfectly parallel. This is actually very important for the precision printing. See, if you especially printing big parts, that's very important. If small one, probably not. For the very small parts, actually, like no more than like a 5 centimeter, doesn't matter. But for the big parts, it's very important to have these two belts parallel, and you have to change actually the positioning, because according to the manual of the Anet, you have to put them like above that, right? But that's wrong. So that's not right, and that's big mistake actually, to go above. You have to go under. See, they are fixed now under. They fixed under the carriage, kind of like, you know, the belt. Fixing the belt ends actually under, not above. So that's very important. And also see this balsa wood isolation that I add. This is also very important, especially for printing ABS. If you do that, you will be able to print ABS. If not, you can't, because temperature actually hard to get to the 90S without this isolation. The heat actually dissipating down, and you don't have enough power for the heat bed actually to hit the 90 degree of Celsius. That's not enough for him to get that high. That's why as soon as you put isolation here with a balsa wood or a cork, yeah, you just put this under the table, and you'll be very easy print ABS, because you get 90 degree about maybe in like 10-15 minutes maximum. You get 90C for the band. So that's also very important for the ABS printing. Okay, that's all. And also, I forget to mention that I put these angles here also to my Anet. They actually very help to improve kind of like a stability of the printer. It's not shaking anymore to the sides, okay, because that's angle. Before it was just a plastic, like a bare plastic like this, and that one can actually shake like this, right, little bit. If you shake, if you move it, it can be kind of like moved like this, which is not good. But with aluminum like that, added with these bolts here, it's going to be very rigid structure. See, I use all this stuff to fix this aluminum angle to this side and here to this side, and it helps a lot. And one of the improvements also, that I add an additional fan for cooling this power unit, because the power unit actually coming without any cooling fan, and I just add just a regular 12-volt fan. I get from the electronics store just 12-volt fan to this power unit, and it helps to keep it cool. Probably that's not necessary, because now I divide the power between two power supplies. Maybe that's not very important, but anyway, I just did just in case. Okay, that's it. That's all my improvements. And actually, as I said, I built this oven here because I need to keep my filament dry, especially ABS. When you're printing ABS, you have to dry it constantly, because in 15 hours it can suck some moisture from the air during the printing, not just like in general, but during printing. If you just printing 15-20 hours, it can suck the moisture from the air. That's why I constantly drying my filament like during printing. So Yeah, that's why the surface quality is very nice. So the ABS actually must be dry if you want to get nice printing. So this is one of the conditions of printing ABS. Okay. For the PLA probably is not that important, but for the ABS and especially nylon, that's very important to have these filaments dry. Alrighty, that's all.